Welcome back to the channel. Ready for another week of chicken pick'em. We got reffed up last week, no doubt about it. We were 6-9-1, so that makes us straight up. We were 6-9-1, and we were 7-9 against the spread. So it was a rough week. So now we're straight up. Straight up, we are, what are we? 23 and 24-1 straight up. So we're just below 500. So we need to get back up over 500 straight up. Just did want to make one note, one interesting statistic so far in the chicken pick'em. We are 3-0 on Thursday Night Football, but there has been a total of 7 Sunday night and Monday night games, and we are 0-7 straight up on Sunday and Monday Night Football. That's what's been hurting us. So Thursdays and the early games on Sunday, doing pretty good really, but 0-7 on Sunday night and Monday night. So hopefully we can get that sorted out this week, and we can get our first win on Sunday night and Monday night. And we're going to do it this week. I got a good feeling about it. Let's get into it. Let's get to the chicken picks. If you guys like this content, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Alright. Alright. Hey.
Can I just stand behind it? I think he fell on his side. Whoa.
Why says it's not hit?